A newborn elephant takes its first gentle steps toward the water, wobbling beside its mother as it discovers the world. Its tiny frame, cord still attached, moves with curiosity and innocence. The herd stands close, guiding and protecting the little one. Moments like this show the tenderness of wildlife and the quiet beauty of new life unfolding at Mala Mala Game Reserve. The Ndenzinga males were on a determined charge, powering across the Mala Mala landscape as they pursued the Nkulu coalition. Their focus was sharp, their pace relentless, and the tension in the air was unmistakable. Watching two dominant groups of lions move with such purpose created an unforgettable moment, filled with raw energy and the fierce spirit of true wilderness.
Look at the blood on his face.
Lion drama. A wild showdown unfolded as the Kambula Pride tried to snatch bites from a buffalo carcass, only to be driven off each time by the booming roars of the Gijima males. For nearly 2 hours, both groups charged, paused, circled, and retreated in a tense battle for dominance. It felt like watching a live-action chess match in the heart of Mala Mala Game Reserve, raw, unpredictable, and unforgettable. An aging mother leopard, known as the lookout female, shares a gentle moment with her tiny cub at Mala Mala. At nearly 15 years old, she still shows calm strength and tenderness. This brief scene captures the fragile beauty of life in the wild, a reminder of how precious every connection can be, even when nature's challenges remain unseen. Two powerful male lions walk side by side, their bond steady and unmistakable. The Gijima brothers pause, brushing against each other with calm confidence, a quiet reminder of the strength found in unity. Moments like this reveal how deeply these animals rely on loyalty, trust, and shared survival in the wild.
The legendary split-rock male leopard commands the bush with unmatched power. This rare morning encounter at Mala Mala felt unreal. His calm confidence, his sheer size, his silent movements. Sightings of him are few, but every moment in his presence reminds you why he's one of Africa's most formidable icons.
A playful baby elephant steals the spotlight in Kruger National Park, wobbling after birds and trotting between herd members. Its oversized ears flap wildly as it experiments with its tiny trunk and swishing tail. Pure joy. Pure innocence. Moments like this remind us why baby elephants capture every heart.
Rain turns the landscape into a playground as elephants splash, roll, and slide through the mud with pure excitement. Its energy was so contagious, turning a simple downpour into a joyful spectacle. Watching these gentle giants embrace every moment us how beautiful and carefree nature can be, even in a storm. A leopard steps from the shadows, its coat glowing in the soft light as it moves with effortless grace. Being this close feels unreal, just a meter away from a creature built for silence and precision. It pauses, scans the bush, then settles calmly, as if allowing us into its world for a brief, unforgettable moment in the wild.
Under the cover of night at Mala Mala, the Shinhova female leopard was found feeding on a rare catch in aardvark. The scene felt unreal. A moment you don't forget. Watching her guard and enjoy the meal showed just how unpredictable and extraordinary the wild can be.
A leopard steps from the shadows, its coat glowing in the soft light as it moves with effortless grace. Being this close feels unreal, just a meter away from a creature built for silence and precision. It pauses, scans the bush, then settles calmly, as if allowing us into its world for a brief, unforgettable moment in the wild.
These cheeky little hyena cubs are stealing hearts today. Playful, curious, and bursting with energy, they explore their surroundings with fearless joy. Every tumble, nip, and giggle reminds us how wonderful the wild can be at Mala Mala Game Reserve.